Hey, in this video, I am going to show you how to unlock all cookie jar scenes in Summertime Saga without any mods. As you can see, I already have all the scenes unlocked. Let me remove my data. Now they are all locked. Let's state a new game. I will select Clean Game, but you can choose any you want. After going through the intro, once you start free roam, click on your phone. Click this Wi-Fi icon, and this will take you here. Here, you not only can unlock the cookie jar, but also add money, change stats, and many more. Click on Unlock Cookie Jar Scenes. Make a save or quick save. Go to Main Menu. Now you have all the scenes unlocked. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.